stopped into the Loves here in Memphis, Texas. Used the old facilities and grabbed myself a chili dog from the Sonic. I'm not going to count this as a load check because I really didn't check the load. We're just made a quick pit stop. So I go down the road another 58, 60 miles to Quanah, pop in there, then another about like 140 miles approximately. That'll take me to Rome, and that's where we're going to stop for the night. So another 2.5 hours, 3 hours of travel today. Yipper. Yeah, we got a bad wreck here. Coming to a stop, eastbound. Eastbound's coming to a stop. Westbound, we have a flatbed with a load and a tractor, farm tractor with some kind of trailer. It is blocking the right-hand lane, so they're not going to let anybody by for a little bit here.
Proceed to the highlighted route.
They got a medical evac helicopter landing on the on eastbound side, so traffic is going to be stopped for a little bit.
On the southbound side? Yeah, you're going to be there for a little bit. They got a medevac him out. He was in a crane tractor and got thrown from it.
So we got a good amount of backup behind us.
Okay.
If I didn't stop there in Memphis, I'd have been past this and not seen this, which would have been my my preference. Oh man. All right, so this helicopter is just about to take off, I think. It's going to evac, so we may be getting open here in a moment. Helicopter is buttoning up his doors. Might be leaving here in a moment. Southbound may open here in a few. Oh, well, road shut down yesterday because of snow. Road shut down today because of an accident. Somebody doesn't want me to get to Laredo.
That fucking truck really just turned around right there in the median? Jesus Christ.
Yeah, he did.
On the grass?
Nah, there's a median there, but still.
Alright, helicopter just departed, so we may be leaving here.
Yeah, they're grounded now, the helicopter's leaving.
The northbound's still going to be stuck for a while, so southbound's going to open up here hopefully in a moment.
Had a wreck with the light flash picking up faces. Somebody say a free donut? Well, I want a free donut.
Yeah, I'll pass until they start serving the Jack and Coke, and then I'll get real serious about it.
I agree with that one. Now we're talking. Stop.
Continue on this road for 30 miles. Road station ahead.
Because you're not at the front of the pack, that's why.
Hell, then we're not rolling, are we? The mouth is rolling, what the hell? Like a fucking avalanche.
Patience, Grasshopper, patience.